Nice to meet you, my friend. Here you said battery, huh? Okay. It's inflated, huh? Wow, we have to change it, my friend. We have to change it. This is a big problem. Don't worry. You will see, my friend. Yeah.
13?
I will show you. This is the battery, my friend. Souvenir.
Yeah.
You see?
Bad, eh?
It's very good. Now you see it doesn't stick
nice.
out. No. I appreciate it, my friend. Nice to meet
Thank
you,
you,
brother.
thank
You have a good day, my friend. Anything you need, let me know.
Yeah, okay.